everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you all how I installed and styled this lace front wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. This video is sponsored by OMG Queen. They sent me their Kinky Straight Lace Front Wig in 20 inches, and I believe it's 150% density. But I will leave all the information down below in the description bar, so you can go ahead and check that out, okay? So here is how the package looked when I received it, and I'm just going to show you everything that was inside. Inside the box this time, they sent me a silicone wig grip. I believe that's what it's called. I'm gonna leave a link down below. I want to use this, but I totally forgot. So this is how the wig looked once I removed it from the bag. This is the construction of the wig. As you can see, you have 3 combs at the top, a larger one at the bottom, and of course the adjustable straps. And I'm just giving you all a close-up of the hairline. And I did bleach the knots to my liking, and I really didn't have to customize the front at all. I just really just left it just like that. So I'm applying the wig just to get it to, you know, fit to my liking. And as you can see, honey, I was really feeling this wig. So now I'm just cutting the extra lace that was by my ears, and it wasn't a lot. Like, the wig almost fit perfectly, but I just needed to cut just a little. Today I'm not going to be using any lace glue. I'm actually going to be using this hairspray. So the first thing I'm going to do is just spray a layer going across, and then I'm going to apply my lace, and then I'm also going to spray more of the hairspray on top. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer just to blow dry everything down and make sure it's secure. Next, I'm just using my razor to cut off the excess lace. After that, I just applied some mousse, and I took my scarf and just wrapped it around just to make sure everything melt. And then I went and finished my makeup. Okay, so this is how everything looked once I finished applying my makeup. So as you can see, the lace look a little darker because I applied my bronzer across the lace. Like, I always do that. Like, I don't know why I do it. I did fix it after, and also I did cut more of that lace. So I really like the natural state of this hair, so I didn't want to flat iron it. So all I'm doing is taking my hot comb and just running it through a few times. But this is how it looked like without me really doing anything to it. And since I'm still kind of like learning my camera, I'm just going to insert a photo. I'm going to show you like how I would rock this hair, because I really don't like hair in my face. So I'm just going to show you like one way I would style this hair. Then I'm just going to insert a photo. So I end up wearing it like this today, with just 2 little twists going back. And I'm gonna insert a photo. So yeah, this is how everything looked. This hair is so soft. You get like minimum shedding when I washed the hair, but it was nothing serious. So check out OMG Queen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you dolls in the next video. Bye bye.